Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2020 Ram 1500 Sport 4x4 with the 5.7 liter Hemi and Patriot Blue Pearl Coat on black leather interior. So I'll just start over in the back area of the truck. We'll take a look. So it's got the bed here, and we've got a soft tonneau cover there. So with the door, it's got the easy up and easy down with a press button inside. So it nice and gently drops down. I don't know if you saw that, so I'll do it one more time. And there it is there. And I'll just show you how easy it is to close the tonneau cover here. So it's just folded into three pieces, and there's actually clips up the front here that clips it to hold it open if you want to have it open. And then here's the latch here. So this just locks in place like that, and then over here, there it is, nice and secure. We'll close up the rear hatch. There it is, all closed. So that's a Lear soft tonneau cover. This vehicle has the black pack, so it's got the blacked out symbols there, blacked out tag there for sport, blacked out 4x4, and black finished chrome dual exhaust there. So very cool. And there's your backup camera on the handle. So we'll just move on over to this side. There's your 22-inch wheel with your big mudder tires on it. Lots of grip on there. Have a look at the tires. And I don't know if I mentioned yet, but this truck is brand spanking new. It's got 500 and change on it for kilometers. We'll have a look at the exact odometer when we get in. So I'll just go to the passenger side first. Have a look here. So nice leather finishes, some nice finish here on the door with brushed aluminum handle, power windows, power locks. Have a look in the door frame there, nice and clean. And I'll just hop in. We'll check in the glove box. Let's see what we got in here. So we've got the books and what looks like a wheel lock key in there. I'll just double check for you. Let's see. There it is. Perfect. So we got the wheel lock and we've got the books in this nice cool Ram bag. That's perfect. And we'll just hop out, close up this door. And oh, before I do that, I just want to show you there. Power seats on the passenger side, power lumbar. Awesome. And one last thing, nice WeatherTech mats. Save you from having to buy them. And while we're over here, we'll take a look. We've got blacked out running boards on it. And here we are on the back. Have a look at the door. Nice speaker. We've got the leather finished on the armrest here. And have a look at the door frames, nice and clean. And we've got a large WeatherTech mat in the back. Here's your back seats. You've got a center armrest with two cup holders. In the front here, we've got vents. We've got a little pocket. We've got USB-C, USB, and a 120 volt outlet as well. And I really like the finishing around this cup holder. I don't know if you'd call that like a diamond finish. Very, very neat. And up here above, we've got speakers in the back. So this has the upgraded Alpine stereo in it. And with the seat here, you just grab those, you fold those up, and have a look how much space you have back there. So lots and lots of space. And you just pull it and it flips back down. So that's good. Close that up. Love the color on this. And your mirrors, you've got turn signals on the mirror. And while we're over here, have a look at the rim. Nice and clean, no curb rash, no issues. Nice big mudder tires. And here we are at the front. And as I mentioned before, we've got that black pack, so blacked out Ram emblem. We've got front parking sensors. We've got 360 camera on this. So it's got cameras that will go all the way around the vehicle. So as you can see, there's one of those cameras right on the Ram symbol there. And have a look at the engine. There it is, 5.7 liter Hemi, 395 horsepower. Looking good, nice and new. And we'll close up the hood. And there it is. It's got the bug deflector already installed for you on the front. So that's awesome. And there's your 22-inch rim with your mudder tire. And let's have a look here on the driver's side. So on the driver's side, We've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, and we've got extra cup holders here in the door. There's your automatic headlamps, rear box light, and fog lights. Down here you've got power pedals and an electronic emergency brake. So I'm just going to hop in as I get in, have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. All right, so here we are inside. Just close that, and I'm going to shut the rear door here. Oh, didn't quite get it. One sec, there we are. All right, so we're inside, and let's have a look at the screen. So press brake, push button to start. So we've got push button start over here. Fire this one up. There it is, sport. And let's see if I can focus in on the mileage. I'll just move a little closer for you. So 574 kilometers on it, so nice and new. And on the steering wheel, we've got telephone controls, voice controls, your controls for your center display there. So you can change and move things around. You can put the speed in the corner if you want. You can put it at the top. So it's very customizable. Down here we've got cruise control, adaptive cruise, and we've got your gear selection, so you can actually select what gear it is. So if you're going up or down a hill and you want to change the gear, you can change the gear. Over here, that's your automatic transmission control, 4-wheel drive, high, low, or 2-wheel. And then check this out. So 12-inch touchscreen control panel. So you have heat controls on the side, but you can also control everything in this panel. So we've got heated steering wheel, we've got heated seats, ventilated seats, we've got Wi-Fi hotspot, backup camera. You can click 360 and you can see 360 around the vehicle, including the backup camera. And then you still have your controls on the lower half. So heated seat, ventilated seat, lots of options there. So just down here, I'll have a look, see if I can get in on focus here. So that's your front parking, rear parking assist. So that'll beep at you if you're close to bumping something. And we've got tow mode, we've got traction control off. And then down here, we've got USB-C, USB 2, and auxiliary in. Have a look at the console. So you've got cup holders, you've got change holder, you've got this nice spot where you can put your phone or other miscellaneous things. And then down here you can actually clip this, slide this back, and you've got a whole nother area down there. And then we've got a 120 volt plug down there as well. So if you want to charge your laptop for work, you can do that. And that slides forward, and let's check this out. So under here we've got this top tray here. Fold that down, and then there's a second clip below. You pull that, and then now you've got this even larger space down there. So very neat. And there's the cup holders from the back as well. What I really like about this is it has the black headliner, so it gives it a nice dark look, and it also doesn't show the fingerprints like a lighter colored headliner might. So then up here we've got controls, we've got assist and SOS, we've got lights on and off for the doors, we've got the LED reading lamps, and then we've got the controls for the sunroof. So you can open close it, and I can do that for you so you can see. Nice large sunroof. There it is, open, nice and quiet. And let's close that back up. Beautiful, that's working great. And then we also have the sunshade, so you can close it up if you want to be out of the sun. There it is, nice and dark in here. And then one last control we have there is for the rear window. So if we press that guy, there it is, power rear window. Awesome. All right. So I'll just hop out, show you guys the truck running here. All right. There it is. There's that last rim there, 22-inch wheel, mud tires, all nice and new. Check out the running board again. Here we are on the back, LED taillights. And also we do have a 7-pin connector. It does not have a hitch, but you can add that on. And there's those black dual exhaust again. What an awesome looking truck. All right. There we have it, folks. 2020 Ram 1500 Sport with just 574 kilometers here at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at it for yourself. We look forward to seeing you real soon.